Welcome to Unlocking Cosmic Mysteries, NASA's Bennu Asteroid Sample Return, presented by Undying Curiosity. Today, we embark on a journey to explore one of NASA's most remarkable missions. 1. The Cosmic Odyssey. In September 2016, NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft began an incredible journey into the depths of space. Its mission: to rendezvous with asteroid Bennu and bring back a piece of our cosmic history. Asteroid Bennu, a relic from the dawn of our solar system, holds secrets that could unlock cosmic mysteries. 2. Bennu Unveiled. Bennu is not just any asteroid. It's a time capsule, preserving the ancient materials that predominate in our solar system's early days. At nearly 4.5 billion years old, Bennu offers a glimpse into a bygone era, a time when the solar system was still taking shape. 3. Precision and challenges. This mission demanded unparalleled precision. OSIRIS-REx had to travel billions of miles and navigate with incredible accuracy to reach Bennu. The dedicated team behind OSIRIS-REx faced numerous challenges on this cosmic odyssey, but their determination and expertise paid off. 4. The science of sample return. Why collect a sample from Bennu? The answer lies in its pristine nature. Unlike meteorites that land on Earth, Bennu's untouched material promises invaluable insights. Contamination-free samples are essential for understanding the origins of life and the fundamental building blocks of our universe. 5. Global collaboration. This mission is not just NASA's endeavor. International collaboration, like Japan's Hayabusa missions, demonstrates the collective excitement of the global scientific community. Together, we're on the brink of discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. As OSIRIS-REx continues its journey back to Earth, the world eagerly awaits the secrets it carries from Bennu's ancient past. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic voyage. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest findings from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission.